Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix TikTok not loading, and now let's dive right in. Now to first fix TikTok not loading problem on your phone, we'll be required to go to a 3 or 4 steps on the settings of our phone as well as on the TikTok. And now let's dive right in, guys. Now in order to proceed from over here, first open the settings on your phone. And over here scroll down and go to the app section of your settings, and on this interface tap on the app management, which is at the top of the screen. And over here you can see the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap over there and we'll be required to search for TikTok, and let's do that and open it. And over here, guys, if your TikTok is not loading, first stop your TikTok app. From over here you can see there is the full stop button available for us, and if you tap on the full stop button, TikTok will be stopped immediately and you'll be required to open your TikTok. And by doing that, your TikTok will be restarted and your TikTok might start to load, or if it's not still loading, you can go to the storage uses option available over here and you can see the clear cache button available for us. Try clearing your cache on the TikTok on your settings from your phone. And after doing that, guys, still not loading, maybe you require an update for the TikTok app on your phone. Open the Play Store on your phone and search for the TikTok on the Google Play Store. And then you can see, guys, currently my TikTok is up to date, and if you have an update button available for you instead of the install or the open button, then you'll be required to update your TikTok app. Maybe that is causing the problem that TikTok is not loading. And that being said, guys, if your TikTok still does not loads, try reinstalling the app on your device from the start by uninstalling, and after that restart your phone and then re-logging it into your TikTok account, and that will have solved the problem that your TikTok is not loading. And with that being said, guys, these are the fixes you can try to fix TikTok not loading problem on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to fix TikTok not loading problem on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.